Hi, it's Tom
And Lexi.
and we're gonna make clouds today, but first we're gonna start with a knock knock joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cow says.
Cow says who?
No, silly. A cow says moo.
Ah, cow says moo. I get it. All right, we're gonna make clouds. We have 2 clear jars of water, and now we're gonna make our clouds. You're gonna make your cloud. Shake it up. All right. We got our clouds. We got our shaving cream with dinosaurs on them.
And we also have our food coloring.
Yeah, we have our coloring. This is supposed to be the weather. So we have a purple, we have a blue, and we have a yellow, and we have food coloring in our hands as proof. So we're going to slowly put the drops in the clouds.
You need to make sure.
And then you can do yours, Lex, on your cloud. And the heavier the rain gets in the clouds, this baster really isn't holding it. Hopefully yours is holding it better than mine. You see anything coming out of the clouds yet? Is it ready to rain? Yeah, we might have to take turns. That's just not working. Oh, I just saw some weather come down. Did you see that? For the weather, see? You want to use it? Because this just doesn't work as good. You want to use this?
Yeah.
Did you get the yellow coming down on your clouds yet? Oh, we got a visit from our cat Lolly. Hi, Lolly. Say hi to our YouTube friends. Guest starring the cat.
Okay, Lolly, you can move now. He's probably going to show up on almost all of our videos.
Lolly wants to...
Want some yellow?
Sure. See, I made a big cloud on yours, so we gotta put lots of water in.
Hey, I see some.
Do you? I don't like the sound this makes. Reminds me of something else.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
And we just put up a close-up.
Yeah, we should put a close-up.
Here, can I see the button?
Yep.
His is going down. Lexi? I just got some food coloring on me. Daddy.
Whoops. Don't want to do that.
Good thing we have napkins.
Yep.
Can I?
do it on mine again. Now watch this, Lex. Oh, see, when the clouds get too much rain in them, it's starting to rain down on us.
What about on mine?
Yours too.
Now we just wait. Looks like yours is having a big storm.
Yeah.
And then when we're all done, we can place the color shaving cream.
Mine has two colors. Mine has a purple, do you see that? And it has yellow underneath.
Mine has...
I wonder if I can get blue in there too. So look, I got a purple, I got a little bit of yellow, and then I got a blue color.
I think mine's done. Can we see?
Mm-hmm.
I want to see.
Very cool.
Wait, does this part come off?
No, I think that's broken. So I think we should say goodbye to the audience. Our clouds are full.
Okay, what should we say?
Why did Batman flush the toilet?
Because that was his duty.
Yeah, you know that one. All right, everybody, bye. See you next time.
Please click like and subscribe.
Click like and subscribe.